Hello viewers, it's your boy Justin Fuckerson. I'm at Senior Jefferson's Gun Academy. So since it's April Fool's Day, I'm going to pull the fire alarm.
Alright students, we are having a fire drill. Everyone line up and slowly walk outside carefully. Fuck! Scott, watch your language.
Alright students, we have a fire drill, but there we did not schedule a fire drill, but whatever happened, someone must have pulled the fire alarm.
I think Justin did it.
Justin, get your fucking fat ass over here.
What is it, teacher?
Did you pull the fire alarm?
As a matter of fact, I did.
April Fools!
Justin, we had this conversation before, and you didn't learn your fucking lesson?
But it was just a prank. Can you please forgive me?
Nope. If I forgive you, you will keep doing the same thing over and over for years. That means you are expelled until you died. And by the way, your parents are going to hear about this.
Fuck. Cunt.
I can't believe you pulled the fire alarm and got expelled. Unbelievable. It's unacceptable after what you did on April Fool's Day. That's it. You're grounded until you get your balls and penis removed on June 27, 2026.
But Dad, I'm sorry.
Sorry will not fix anything. Go to your room.
I want to kill myself. Someone please put me out of my misery.
Type song.